we have a Venn diagram, like I've told you about the Venn diagram, is members of a set in a diagrammatic form. Then the best way to demonstrate Venn diagram is to solve some examples that have to do with Venn diagram. That will make it easier and faster. 25 students are asked about their holiday activities. 16 read their books. 11 played football. How many did both? Now, I can represent this in a Venn diagram, first of all, as my solution before I solve. Now, what do? I draw my Venn diagram. Remember, I have two sets of people here, those that read their books and those that played football. So I will call those people that read their book A. I will call those people that played football B. Now, those that read their book, actually from their list here, they are 16. I can put down my 16 here. Those that played football are 11. I can put down my 11 here. Then, those that did both of them, I don't know who they are. I don't know who those people are, the number. So I'll put X here. Notice why I put S here is because notice that this circle crosses each other, which shows that if you look at from this way, the S is here. If you check from this way, the S is also here. So that means this S represents those that did both of them. Then this side now, those that did only reading their book and they did not play football, I will now call them 16 minus S. Those that did only playing football and did not read their book only, I will call them 11 minus X. Now, those that did neither of them is actually 0 because it was not specified here. So with this Venn diagram, I can now find out what is the value of S. Remember that the number of people in that set is 25. So actually, my E is equal to 25. And remember that from this, A only, people that only read their book, they are actually 16 minus S. Then B only, people that only played football, they are 11 minus S. Then also, very important information, if I have something like A intersection B, which is what I've done here, is actually S. That's those that did both of them. So to get the value, I'll equate it to the number of people in that set, which is 25. That means I will now write, I can put it this way, 25 is equal to 16 minus X plus 11 minus X plus X. Now, to select like times, okay, let me do some equation a little bit. 25 is equal to 16 plus 11 will give us 27 minus X minus S will give us minus 2X plus X. Then we can now select like times, this one will come over to this side, so I now have 25 minus 27 is equal to minus 2x plus s will give us minus x. That will give us minus 2 is equal to minus x. So since minus it cancels out. So we now be that x is actually equal to 2. So you can see that what helped me to solve this question easily is my understanding of the Venn diagram. 40 students, 20 were tested on sciences, 15 on art subjects. If I took both subjects, how many took neither? So I now say, let A be tested on sciences, and B is tested on arts subjects. Okay, then those that are tested in both is A on D, which is already written there, is equal to 5. Then E is the universal set, total number of students, which is 25. Then with this information, I can, and this one is equal to 20, this one is equal to 15. Then this information, I can draw a simple Venn diagram that will help me to solve this fast. So I have here, here is A is actually 20, B is 15, then A, this is from B is 5. Then for me to find A only is equal to 20 minus 5. Remember that I would say something minus X, and that will give me 15. Then B only is equal to 15 minus 5. That will give me 10. 10. So I have here is 15, here is 10. Then the one that is neither is called X, and this X should be outside. Since it is outside, I'm going to have it that this is E is 25. So for me to find this X is those one that neither here or here. So I'm going to now solve it simply by saying that E is 40. So that will give us 40. So then that will give us 40 is equal to 15 plus 10, 25 plus 5, 30 plus X. Then that means 40 is equal to 30 plus X. That means 30 plus X is actually equal to 40. Then only X is equal to 40 minus 30. That means X is equal to 10. That means those that did neither of the tests, the total number is 10 students. Like I said, Venn diagram actually helps a lot in doing some calculations that has to do with sets.